We always needed insight regarding what's going on with the network. We have a lot of traffic in and out. It's a lot of different traffic from different sources. We used for quite a while a product that was on-prem on a server, but it was something that required maintenance on our side. It required more and more resources because the more traffic we're sending in, the more resources it needed, and it didn't have all the analytics and insights that Kentik was offering. We use it a lot to detect DDoSes and then have mitigation that it kicks in automatically. We don't have to do anything, and pushes it to the border routers, and from the border routers we push it out so we can mitigate in near real time the DDoS. It's important for us to steer as much traffic as possible away from the transit, which we're paying, towards exchanges and PNIs. So this is something we look every day because we had issues where we had to work with different providers to optimize traffic, put it this way. So this was noticed and observed only due to Kentik usage. And this way we learned, and we built several dashboards where we see everything going in and out and understanding how traffic is flowing through and outside of our network. When we saw Kentik, we immediately said, yeah, this is for us. This is what we wanted.